Hey guys, how are ya? I'm back with another video. It is Sunday morning. I hope you are doing well. And I thought I would just turn on the camera and film me getting ready for my kind of just routine sort of Sunday day. I have to finish my outline for tax, and then I have to do some reading for class and run some errands. Gotta go get groceries. Sorry about Fitz, he is destroying my couch right now. So since it's kind of just a fun day, I figured I'd do some fun stuff today. In terms of makeup, I am wearing, what am I thinking? Oh, I just self-tanned, and so I will leave a link in the description, or not in the description, in the eye, but I can put in the description too, of my self-tanning routine. And I also just did a comparison of different self-tanners, so if you're interested in that, I will link that as well. So for my face right now, I have moisturized, and it is really glowy because I used some Cover FX like highlighter drops in that, and I mixed it in with my moisturizer because I wanted to look really bright for this Sunday. Hair's a mess, but that's okay. I might just leave it in a messy bun all day long, and let's get into it. So how are you guys? You know, I'm good. My mirror's right here, so I will be kind of looking in that. I look really glowy right now. I'm using the Elf Camo Concealer. Love this concealer. I use it like basically as a base. Dot it all over my face. Isn't that adorable? We'll just leave it like that. I'm just kidding. Blends out really nicely. It is quite drying, so if you have oily skin, this is a good formula for you. I do have oily skin. Well, combination. It gets oilier as the weather gets warmer. So this looks really nice on top of, you know, a very glowy base because it sort of counteracts that and leaves a good kind of satiny finish. I've already done my brows, by the way. I used an Elf Cosmetics brow pencil that I got in an Ipsy box literally years ago. But my brows are so big and bushy that like I need a teeny tiny amount every single day, so it's lasted me quite a while. So there's the base on. I don't like really highlighting really my face all that often, so I'm not gonna like go in with a bunch of highlighter, but I am going to go in with some cream products. The first product and the only other cream product that I have is this Mighty Contour. That's a lie, I do have one more cream product. As you guys know, I really like this cream contour. It is really easy to blend, although I think it might be being discontinued. So I got this for $3 at Ulta. Great little product when it was on clearance, and I have it in the shade Fair's Fair. So it's for lighter skin tones. When I'm self-tan like this, it doesn't show up quite as well as when I'm pale, but I think it is fine. That's pretty much what I do for my cream contour. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, really nasty, my Wet n Wild contour palette. This has been through the ringer. This literally falls off. I have to hold it. I've hit pan on both shades. This is a great little palette. I use both the setting powder and the bronzer on a regular basis. So what I'm gonna do first of all is take the setting powder, which is in a nice yellow color, kind of set the inside of my face. This concealer really doesn't need to be set, but I just do it because my skin tends to get oily anyway, and I kind of wanted to highlight a little bit since it is that yellow color. And then I'm taking the bronzer and bronzing. Oh, one thing I forgot to do that I usually do with cream contour is chisel out my cheekbone because I want to lose weight easy, you know? And this is the easiest way. Make you look real skinny from the side. Right up there on the jawbone. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes now and then finish the rest of my face after I'm done with that. Today, I wanted to use my Colourpop SuperShock Shadow in the shade Muse. This is such a pretty shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. See, that's in the pan. That is it swatched. It's like a golden berry shade. I don't really know how to explain it. So I am going to use this almost as a base. This stuff doesn't crease on me. Go all over. It's really, really good if you have green eyes too. It really makes your green eyes pop. I prefer to use these shadows with my finger. I don't like using them with a brush. I'm gonna take it up into my crease like that. Don't have to be super careful because I'm gonna be using other shadows on top of it to blend it out. And then I take it under my lash line. These shadows are great as kind of a base because they don't crease on me. Even though I do have combination skin, my eyelids are not very oily. There we go. I mean, that's pretty in and of itself. You could just put on some mascara and wear this, but I want to use other shadows today. So for this shadow look, I'm going to be using the Pure Festival palette. I just got this in my Boxycharm and I did 2 looks with this, which I will link up in the eye. I'm just going to speed through this part because otherwise it will take me forever to do this. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, that's about it for the eye look. It is very warm toned. Lately I've been really loving warm tones. I used to be really into more cool toned makeup, but I have been loving for spring and the summer and warmer weather having really warm, beautiful looks on my eyes, and I think they really make my green eyes pop. Now, because I feel like it is a little bit messy out here on the edges, what I like to do is just take a setting powder and blend. And that really helps just blend out the edges and make it look less harsh. I'll be getting my inner corner in just a second, but I'm gonna be using a highlighter for that. Let's go back in and finish the rest of my face. I'm just taking a big powder brush. This was the same brush that I bronzed with. And I am now taking the Too Faced Love Flush Blush Palette. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but this was the best little thing. I think I got this in like 2014 or 2015, and it comes with 6 of their Love Flush blushes. Try saying that 10 times fast. And in a bunch of really nice shades. I haven't hit pan on any of them. I use this all the time, and these blushes last all day and they're really pretty. So today, because I have a really warm look on my eyes, I think I'm going to be taking How Deep Is Your Love, which is a deeper peachy pink shade. I'm a warm blush girl. I'm taking that on my cheeks. It's quite natural. And then for highlight, I am going to be using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder that I got in my Boxycharm as well. This stuff is so good. It gives such a nice like pinky golden sheen. Just take the cap, the excess product in the cap, and I go right on the cheeks. It's so pretty. On the nose, lip, maybe up here too, why not? Okay, and this highlighter I'm also going to use as an inner corner highlight. I need to interlude. I have been noticing that I use a lot of vocal fry when I talk and when I edit these videos. It's really annoying, so I am going to do my best in my future videos not to use vocal fry. If you don't know what vocal fry is, it's like the like vibration, and it was apparently like made popular by the Kardashians or something. I don't know. I will leave a info on what vocal fry is, and I am trying not to speak with vocal fry because it is very, very annoying in editing when I'm doing this. And I never noticed that I did it that much, but yes, I do vocal fry. I am sorry, I am working on it. Okay, inner corner highlight. Inner corner highlight, no vocal fry. We'll take this, like it's not really a blending brush, but it's not really a packing brush. It's kind of in the middle. Take a little bit there and then right in the middle. There we go, really pretty. The harder you pack it in, the more pink it looks. I don't really like that pink look right on the inside quarter. I mean, it's kind of interesting, but I'm going to cover that up with Free Spirit, which is just a sort of champagne color. Make it look a little less pink. Okay, I don't really do eyeliner. I kind of hate eyeliner unless I'm using it to like smoke out the lash line. So no eyeliner today. And I think that's almost it. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I got this in a sample. I've still been using it. Freaking love this mascara. I love this mascara. Okay, that's it for the mascara. Doesn't it give your like lashes almost a false lash effect? I think this is such a good mascara from the drugstore. I highly recommend this. I would go out and get it, use it. I do 2 coats. Stunning. Stunning. And then for the lips, normally I don't like put all that much on my lips, but today I'm going to be using the Essence Long-Lasting Lipstick in the shade Cool Nude. These lipsticks are nice. I think that they are just as good as any high-end lipstick I have used, and they're like $2. What I like to do with like creamier lipsticks, I prefer to wear creamy lipsticks, but I don't like having to constantly touch up my lipstick, is that I will blot once, and then reapply the lipstick on top of the block. And this layering really helps with the longevity of the lipstick. Okay guys, that is it for today's makeup look. I really like it. It was pretty easy and I think it looks really nice and really pretty. I love that pink highlight. Let me know if you have any ideas for any future videos. I am happy to try to accommodate them, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!